We'll guide you through how to make a blur vignette effect in Davinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Davinci Resolve on your computer and creating a new project so you can start editing. Once the project opens, go to the Edit tab, which is where you will arrange clips and apply effects. Import your video into the media pool by dragging the file into the media area or using the import option. After the video has been added, drag it from the media pool onto the timeline to prepare it for editing. Next, open the Effects panel, which contains various editing tools and visual effects that can be applied to your footage. From the Effects panel, locate and add an adjustment clip above your video on the timeline. This clip will allow you to apply the effect without directly changing the original video. After placing the adjustment clip, go to the Open FX section, where you can find advanced visual effects for your project. Search for the vignette effect and apply it to the adjustment clip. Once the effect has been added, look for the operating mode menu in the settings and choose either advanced mode or basic mode, depending on how much control you want over the effect. After selecting the mode, move to the border shape settings and choose the shape variation that best matches the style you want to create. You can experiment with different shapes to see which one complements your footage most effectively. Open the Inspector panel and begin adjusting the available controls to customize the vignette according to your needs. Modify settings such as size, softness, intensity, blur amount, and positioning until the effect looks balanced and visually appealing. If you want a more creative appearance, you can also change the vignette color instead of using the default look. Adjusting the color can help match the mood, theme, or atmosphere of your video. Next, add a blur effect so it looks nicer. Once all settings have been configured, preview the video by playing it back in the viewer. Export the video using your preferred render settings.